All AI is not created equal. I'll show you the easiest ones to use to make the biggest difference in your marketing. What up? My name is Nilson Ramirez with Triple Digital here at NTL, National Trial Lawyers Conference. The majority of our clients are lawyers and law firms, and after last year's video, many of you asked me for AI options and tools that would be easy to get started with and have the biggest impact or the biggest effect. So on this episode, we're gonna cover AI tools that can cut your workload in half while doubling your production and impact. So a few days ago, my kids and I were playing hide and seek, and my daughter is it. And so she's sitting on top of my bed and she starts counting, and we're all in the bedroom together. And when she starts counting, of all the places that my son could have went, he went under the bed. Under the bed she was on, counting. And if it wasn't enough for him to go under the bed that she was on counting, because I've taught them to count slowly, because you know kids, sometimes they'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've taught them count slowly. So she's counting 1, 2, etc. He's tired of her taking so long. And so he goes, "Harper, I'm ready," which obviously defeats the purpose. So my daughter stops counting, gets off the bed and goes, "Found you." And he's all upset. He's all upset because she found him first, because she found him right away. And so I go, Red, you had all these options. Why'd you pick this one? And he said, because it was the easiest. And here's the thing. Choosing the easiest option doesn't necessarily mean you're choosing the best option. All of us have heard of AI at this point, and all of us have probably heard of ChatGPT. But that doesn't mean it's the best option for what you're trying to do. ChatGPT does some things very well, but then there are other things that it doesn't do at all. So with an endless option of AI tools, where do you start? I got you. And of course, with all of these AI tools, I'll include a link in the description below. Let's say you're trying to get into social media content and you want those cool captions that show up. An AI tool that you can use to create those is called Submagic. Not only does it create captions for you, but it creates captivating and engaging ones like some of the ones you've seen on TikTok or Instagram Reels. If you're making long form content and you don't want to waste time going through the video and cutting it into small pieces, then an AI tool that you can use is called Opus Clip. It takes that long form content that you've created and it gives you the short form pieces that you can use and leverage for those other platforms. Do you have any old headshots or pictures of your company or staff or of an event that you're trying to post, but they don't look that great because they were taken on an old camera or a phone? Maybe they're blurry. Well, this AI tool's for you. It's called Upscale Media. It takes those blurry images and sharpens them. It focuses them and makes them look far better than what you previously had. Another one you can use is Media.io. It can take those images and videos and upscale them even to 4K. If you want to spice up your videos with memes or video clips or movie clips, then GetYarn.io or playphrase.me is really easy to use. All you have to do is type in the phrase that you're looking for from any movie, and it will populate videos, movie clips, TV show options that you can just download and add to your content. Now, synthesis is pretty eerie, but powerful. It takes a script that you give it, and then an AI generated person reads it in front of a camera. You can use this a number of ways, whether it be ads on social media or messages to your own company. There's no limit to how you can leverage this type of technology. Another cool tool is called HeyGen. You put in the video that you've made and it changes the language for you. So you speak English, but you want to make a video to reach a Spanish audience, it'll do that for you. The AI will change your voice so that you speak the language you want to speak. Some of these AI tools are free. Some of them require a small monthly subscription, but take time to play around with each one and see which one you're comfortable with. And don't settle for just the AI tool that you've heard of. There's so many options out there, and you really want to make sure you're taking advantage of this phenomenal technology that exists. What AI tools do you find yourself using regularly? Or what AI tools would you like me to cover or do a review on? Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about the tools that I just mentioned. Subscribe to stay up to date with the latest and greatest in marketing tools, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.
I think I see you behind the mirror. That's a great. How did you fit there? How did you fit there? Dude, good job.